welcome to our YouTube channel Defense Career Academy. This is Shashikant Badak, your geography teacher, and today we are going to discuss on the topic India and the word grade 9th, chapter number 1, India size and location. Okay, so in previous two videos, student, we have discussed about the India size and location. Today we will going to see more about the India and the world. See students, with the help of word map, first we will going to see the all 7 continents according to their size. We will see first, here is we are having the largest one continent, it is Asia continent, followed by second largest Africa continent, followed by North America continents. Here is we are having South America continent, then Antarctica continent here, the southernmost. Then here is we are having Europe continent, and here is Australia continent. So these are 7 continents. We are going to see the next point. See India having the central location in Asia continents. See students, here is our Asia continent. You can see here is our India, and here is you can see the eastern parts of Asia continent and the western parts of Asia continents. So India having the central location, which is very important, having a various significance. Then another one important thing is see the extension of Asia continents, means India lies the southward extension of the Asia continents. You can see India lies the southward direction here. Okay. So next important point is what is the peninsula? Peninsula, you can see here students, peninsula means a peninsula is a piece of land that is almost entirely surrounded by water but is connected to the mainland on one side. Here you can see students, we are having Arabian Ocean here, and Bay of Bengal Ocean, Indian Ocean here, and here is our peninsula. Here you can see the peninsula. Here you can see the peninsula, which is covered by the 3 sides of the by the water, and we are getting 7516.6 kilometer coastline, which is very important. Next we are going to see students the trans-Indian ocean routes. By these ocean routes we can just connect to the other countries, means like Europe in the west and other countries in Asia continents also. So it's because of the central position India connect to the various countries, like here you can see here the Turkey, then you can see by this you can also reach to the Africa, and even we can reach to the North America and the South America also, and the Eastern Asia's countries like here Bangladesh, and even the Australia, the south side, the Australia also. So it's provide us the significance location. So students, not only the ocean routes we reach or we connect to the other countries, but also the land routes are very important. By the land routes we can also connect to the various countries, like you can see here, like Pakistan, then the Afghanistan, and even China, here China and Nepal and other countries. Okay, so by the passes means, you know very well, the area between the two mountains. तो जैसे उसको हम हिंदी में घाट बोलते हैं, तो उस पासे से हमारा अदर कंट्री के साथ जो एक्सचेंज गुड्स एंड कम्युनिटी हम एक्सचेंज करते थे, तो वो भी एक सिग्निफिकेंट रहा है हमारे कंट्री के लिए. सो लैंड रूट से भी हम बहुत सारे कंट्री से कनेक्ट है. यहाँ पे हमने देखा वी सी हियर बाय सी रूट्स वी आल्सो कनेक्ट टू द various countries. That's why India is having very significant location in Asia continents. Okay, so next we'll move to the next point. See students, here about the Suez Canal. Suez Canal opened in 1869. Here you can see student, here is the Red Ocean, but here is the land mass or the land parts. Because of this land parts we are not going to connect directly to the Europe continents, but because of or due to the Suez canals we directly connect to the यूरोप्स. मीन्स जो पहले जैसे अफ्रीका कॉन्टिनेंट्स को घूम के हमें फिर यूरोप में जाना पड़ता था सी रूट से, तो सुएज कैनल की वजह से बहुत सारा डिस्टेंस जो है वो रिड्यूस हुआ है. तो यहाँ पे हमने स्टूडेंट देखा कि हाउ वी कनेक्ट टू द मीन्स बाय सी रूट्स और लैंड रूट्स, हाउ वी connect to the countries, and these routes have contributed in the exchange of ideas and commodity since ancient times. So land routes also important, and the sea routes also important, but the land routes वो ज़्यादा important यहाँ पे है, क्योंकि सी रूट्स बाद में डेवलप हुए, डिस्कवर हुए. लैंड रूट्स से हम पहले ही ट्रेड करते थे अदर कंट्री के साथ. तो इस ट्रेड में सिर्फ कमोडिटी, वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू एक्सचेंज द कमोडिटी, बट आल्सो थॉट्स, कल्चर एंड मेनी थिंग्स, उनके आइडियाज़ और कल्चर्स, तो ये सारे हम क्या करते थे, एक्सचेंज करते थे. सो स्टूडेंट्स, टुडे we have discuss about the India and the words. In the next video we are going to discuss about the India neighbors. Thank you very much.